Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Arabic Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last lesson, we started speaking activities of Unit 1. Today, inshallah, we're going to continue with more speaking activities. Now, let's open our books to page 18. We have on top of the page, التدريب الثالث, the third exercise. It says, تبادل الحوار, exchange the conversation مع زميلك, with your classmate or colleague, كما في المثال, just like in the example. Here we have pictures of different individuals. Underneath each individual, you have their nationalities. What we need to do with the partner, create a conversation. Conversation right from the beginning. The first one saying, Assalamu alaikum, greet each other. The other responding to greeting. Then asking, how are you? Responding to that and asking, what is your nationality? The second person uses the name, uses the nationality underneath the picture. And the first person ends the conversation by saying welcome. Let's look at the al-mithal, the example sentence. This mithal is based on the picture on the left side. We have a picture of the Pakistani man, and underneath the word Pakistani, which is a male Pakistani national. So we need to do with the partner. So we have Ta 1, the first student says, Assalamu alaikum. Ta 2, the second student, Talibu Thani, he says, Wa alaikum assalam. The first student asks, Kayfa haluka, how are you? Second student answers, Bi khayrin, walhamdulillah, I'm fine. The first student asks, Ma jinsiyatuka, what's your nationality? The second student answers by using the nationality underneath the picture, Ana Pakistani, or Pakistaniyun, with dhammatan. And the last student ends by saying, Ahlan wa sahlan. So what I would like you to do with the partner, do the same thing. Greet each other, ask how are you, then ask what's your nationality, then answer the question by using the nationality underneath the picture. So pause the video now, do the remaining part of the exercise by yourselves, then we're going to check the answers together. Now let's go for the answers. Turkiyya is the first picture on the right side. So as first student, Assalamu alaikum. Second student, Wa alaikum salam. First student, Kayf haluka. Second student, Bi khayr, alhamdulillah. Then first student asks, Ma jinsiyatuki. Kaf with the kasra. Second student, Ana Turkiyya. I'm Turkish. First student, Ahlan wa sahlan. Next picture, Suri, Syrian male national. First student, Assalamu alaikum. Second student, Wa alaikum assalam. First student, Kayfa haluka. How are you? Second student, Bi khayr, alhamdulillah. First student, Ma jinsiyatuka. Second student, Ana Suri. I'm Syrian. First student, Ahlan wa sahlan. Next picture, Misriya, Egyptian female national. First student, Assalamu alaikum. Second student, Wa alaikum assalam. First student, Kayfa haluka. Second student, Bi khayrin, walhamdulillah. First student, Ma jinsiyatuki. Second student, Ana Misriya. First student, Ahlan wa sahlan. Next one, Turkish male national. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Kayfa haluka? Bi khayrin, alhamdulillah. Ma jinsiyatuka? Ana Turki. Ahlan wa sahlan. Now let's move on to the next exercise. التدريب الرابع, the fourth exercise. It says تبادل, exchange الحوار, the conversation مع زميلك, with your colleague or with your classmate. كما في المثال, just like in the example. Here we have different pictures of different countries. Underneath the picture of the country, we have two words. We have a word on the right side, which is a person's name, and the word on the left side, which is the country where the person comes from. What we need to do is to make a dialogue with the person. So the first student will ask, what's your name? Then the second student will answer by using the word on the right side. The second student asks, where are you from? Then the second student answers by using the word on the left side. Then the first student asks, are you of this particular nationality? Coming from that country? The second student affirms it. And then the first student says, welcome. Let's go to the mithal, the example sentence. Ta 1, الطالب الأول, the first student, he says, Masmuka, what's your name? This is the example picture, is the picture on the left side where he says Turkey, Badr. This is the person name in Turkey. So first student says, Masmuka, what's your name? Second student, Ismi Badr, my name is Badr. Second student says, Min ayna anta, where are you from? Second student answers by using the word on the left side, Ana min Turkey, I'm from Turkey. Then the first student asks, Hal anta Turki, are you Turkish? Second student answers by saying, Naam, Ana Turki. Then the first student ends the conversation by saying, Ahlan wa sahlan. Now what I would like you to do is the same thing with your partner. Ask the person, what's your name? Then use the word on the left side by answering. And then the first student asks again, where are you from? Use the word on the left side and so on. So complete the conversation, the dialogue in a similar manner. Then we're going to check the answers together at the end. Now let's go for the answers. We have the first one is Iqbal, second Pakistan. So we have here Ta 1, Masmuka. Masmuka means what's your name? You're asking a male person. Please note here that the name Iqbal in the Indian Pakistani region, this is used for male person. So when it comes writing dhammatan, but in the Arab world like Egypt and so on, Iqbal is a female name. So when it comes to writing, it's one dhamma, yeah? This is just a small note. So masmuka, if we're talking about a female name, we'll say masmuki. If we're talking about male name, we'll say masmuka. So Pakistan, they use the name Iqbal for more of a male people, male person. So we're going to do is put dhammatan when it comes to writing, yeah? So masmuka ismi Iqbal. من أين أنت؟ أنا من باكستان. هل أنت باكستاني؟ نعم أنا باكستاني. أهلا وسهلا. Next one we have Anwar and Surya. ما اسمك؟ اسمي أنور. من أين أنت؟ أنا من سوريا. هل أنت سوري؟ نعم أنا سوري. أهلا وسهلا. Next one we have سعيد and مصر. ما اسمك؟ اسمي سعيد. من أين أنت؟ أنا من مصر. هل أنت مصري؟ نعم أنا مصري. أهلا وسهلا. Now this is the end of the lesson. What did we do in today's lesson? In today's lesson we practiced more speaking activities of Unit 1. If anyone has any questions related to today's lesson, please feel free to ask. Inshallah, I'll try to get back to the answers as soon as we can. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.